Alright, in today's video, we are going to unbox this. This is the Oneplus official power bank. Let's get into it. Hey, what's good you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep and this is where I do a lot of tech reviews, unboxings and DJing related tutorials. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So if you're already subscribed, you must already know that I'm a DJ and I was looking for a power bank for my OnePlus phone. And when this news came out that OnePlus is releasing a brand new power bank, which is the official one, because there are other OnePlus power banks, and I was just really interested to see what this product is all about. So let's quickly unbox this OnePlus power bank and see what we get in the box and see if it is worth the price. Okay, so this is the Amazon packaging that it came in. I'm going to take my unboxing knife and I'm going to tear this cover apart and let's see what's inside. Alright, so this is how it looks. I'm going to quickly get rid of the cover as well. And there you have it. This is how the box looks. In the front, you can see that it is the OnePlus power bank, 10,000 mAh. That's the capacity of this power bank. And OnePlus says you can charge your OnePlus device one full time completely. And at the back, you can see that it's an 18 watts fast charge power bank, and that is what I wanted for my OnePlus device. And it also has dual USB output, 2-in-1 charging cable, low current mode, 12 layers of safety protection, and all those other information that I mentioned here. But 2-in-1 charging cable, that will be interesting to see. I have the OnePlus cable here, which is quite nice. I really like it. I also have the OnePlus OTG adapter, which I really like. It'll be interesting to see how the 2-in-1 charging cable looks like. So let's quickly unbox and see what else is in the box. Need the knife again. All right, perfect. There you have it. Wow. Okay, so just to let you know, this comes in two colors and I have got it in black, which is also the carbon fiber model. Let's take it off the box. Interesting. We'll check out the power bank in a bit. I'm going to keep this aside. Let's see what else is in the box. We get the user manual. It says never settle. Of course, never. And then you have all the other information. I don't think you need a user manual for a power bank, but if you think you require this, keep it, but otherwise. And then we have a Red Cable Club membership card. Now this Red Cable Club is the new membership card that these guys provide. Not really something that is important, but nice, quite nice to see. Let's keep this here. And this is the cable that it comes with. And it is a 2-in-1 cable, which is quite nice. This is the USB-C port, and this is the micro USB port. Nice. The quality feels very good and premium, just like how OnePlus feels. The cable is nice. It is not very thick. Obviously, this is the OnePlus cable. Look at the thickness of this versus this, but it's still quite nice. I was looking for an alternative OnePlus cable for my phone, so even this is worth it. I'm gonna keep this here. Let's get rid of the box. I'm gonna keep this here. Now let's quickly look at the power bank. All right. Wow. Check that out, guys. That is the OnePlus power bank, the official power bank that OnePlus has just released, and this is the only one you can buy from their website. And as you can see, this has this carbon fiber finish. On the front, you can see the big never settle branding, and at the back you can see a very nice OnePlus logo, which is not very visible, but yes, it is there. And all other information about the power bank is also mentioned here. If you cannot read that clearly, you can check out the user manual and all of the information will be available. Now, what else? On the top, you can see that it has two USB ports and the output is 5 watt 2.4 amps, and it is an 18 watt power bank, which is quite nice. And just so you know, this is the warp charging brick, the wall brick that comes with the phone in OnePlus 70, and this is a 30 watt adapter. Alright, and this is an 18 watt fast charge, which is quite good. It is almost as good as the dash charger. It has curved edges here in the left and in the right, and it has a button on the right with which you can press and see that there is a light on the top that blinks, which tells you how much of the charge is left in the power bank. Quite nice, this indication. And as you can see, this is black in color. You also get another color which is green, which is the aqua green, which looks something like this, but I did not want it because this color can easily catch any kind of marks, and when I keep it in the bag, I don't want it to be, you know, scuffed and all of that. So I got myself the carbon fiber, and I'm sure this is going to last very long. I was actually looking for a power bank for myself so that I can carry it along with me when I go for gigs, when I'm traveling here and there, so that I can charge my phone even if I don't have a power socket available. And I'm really happy with this purchase. Alright, so there you have it. That was a quick unboxing and the first impressions of the brand new Oneplus Power Bank. So the price on this power bank is rupees 1299, and you can buy this from Amazon. If you're interested to pick this up, I'll leave a link down in the description. You guys can go ahead and buy it from there as well. I did get to use this for 1 hour and I charged my phone, and I can honestly tell you that it is at least charging my phone faster than any other power bank for sure, because obviously this is a OnePlus and I'm using it with a OnePlus, so I'm really happy about it. Now, what about you guys? Did you guys like watching this video today? I hope that you guys did. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any more questions, any doubts or suggestions, and let me know if you guys liked watching this unboxing video from me. And if you're interested to see more interesting videos just like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. There are a lot of tech reviews and there are a lot of unboxings that are coming your way, and you don't want to miss them. That's been it. My name is Deep, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Happy to help.